Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, first of all, can you believe that this gorgeous wig is from Amazon? Yes, she is from Amazon, girl. This wig is a 13x6 lace front 26-inch body wave wig from Original Queen, and they are available on Amazon. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. Alright, so here is the hair. Once again, this hair is from Original Queen and this is on Amazon. This is their 26-inch body wave 13x6 lace front wig, and you guys, this wig is so pretty, so gorgeous. I'll definitely have all the information listed in the description box down below, but let's take a look at this hairline. That hairline does come pre-plucked for you, which is a goodie. And then of course, inside the wig, you have 4 combs, you have the little adjustable straps at the bottom, and then you also have that adjustable elastic band as well for a glueless install. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on into this install. So of course I bleached a notch and washed the wig off camera, but I'm giving you guys another close-up of the inside of that wig. The bottom half of that wig is very stretchy and is very breathable and was also very comfortable, so definitely love that. Also, you have that adjustable elastic band as well for a glueless install, and this is what the lace is looking like after I had bleached the knots and also plucked it some more. So the first thing that you want to do is add some makeup onto that lace. You guys should know how it goes by now, but just in case you're curious as to why I am doing that, I'm just making sure that the lace is going to match my skin color as much as possible. So I start off with a very thin layer of foundation on the lace. If you have lace tint spray, that'll work just as good as well. Then what you want to do is adjust that adjustable strap to your preference. Now I like my wigs nice and tight, just like mostly a lot of other girls, but if you are curious as to whether this wig will fit you or not, you do not have to worry about that. That is what that adjustable strap is for. So if you have a larger head, this will still fit you. If you have a smaller head, this will still fit you. That adjustable strap is basically to make the wig what you need in order to fit on your head, okay? So once I have the wig on and I'm nice and comfortable and I feel like everything's fitting correctly, I'm going to use my wax stick because I need to comb those flyaways out of my face because it's time to cut off all that additional lace that we do not need. And whenever I'm cutting off the additional lace, I just go along the hairline. I don't cut off any additional hair, but I just get as close to the hairline as possible. Okay, so all the lace is gone, but before I put down any spray, I just like to make sure one more time that it's going to be laying correctly. So now I'm just using some lace adhesive spray. You guys know I am not a fan of glue. I'd never use glue. We use spray over here, okay? Everything that I use is listed in my Amazon storefront, and I will have that link in the description box down below just in case you're curious. So I do a couple of layers of this first. I start with like the middle, like my forehead area, and I wait until it gets tacky, then I lay the lace down, and then I go ahead and I move on to the sides. If you try to do your whole entire like head at the same time, some of the spray is going to dry too much and then you're gonna have to add more and it could just get messy. So just go section by section and be patient, and once the spray gets dry and you're laying the lace down, just kind of like press it in, that way the lace can get even more secured. Okay, lace is pretty much secured. Now I went ahead and put the rest of the hair in a bun because now I am going to add some melting spray. The melting spray is like a lighter version of the spray that I just used, and it does exactly what it says. It's supposed to help to melt that lace in. So whenever I have my lace secured, I like to just dab a little bit of this on the lace before I use that elastic band. Now when I put on my elastic band, just so you guys know, I wait about 10 minutes, and trust me, my ears be hurting and they be bright red by the time it's time for me to take it off. But beauty is pain, and I need to make sure that this lace is laid. The good thing about this wig though is that the lace is pretty thin, and as you guys can see, she is melting beautifully, so I didn't have to like fuss with it after I took off the elastic band, which is great. Okay, elastic band is off, and as you guys can see, she is melted. So now it's just time to add some makeup on her. Now makeup, again, this is just to make sure that the lace is blending into my skin tone. You don't need to add too much, don't overdo it, but I just like to dab a little bit on there. And as you guys can see, there's a big difference versus when we first took off the elastic band, right? Once I finish adding the makeup on the lace, I'm going to go back in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to really make sure that, you know, she's looking beautiful and she's looking natural. And also just to make sure there's no flyaways or there's no hair stuck on the lace or anything like that, because I don't like that, because it can look real crusty if you leave it that way. Okay, boom, lace is secured and she is looking natural. I'm obsessed. Now it's time to move on to the easy part, which is styling the rest of the hair. So I decided that I want to do like a deep side part, and you guys know me, I still go back in with my wax stick, my hot comb. Why? Because we want the top of that wig to lay flat. So you guys will see it in this video. It's better to watch versus me just explaining it, but I kind of just go section by section with the wax stick and the hot comb just to really make sure I'm getting all the areas that's necessary and make the wig look believable. Like, it needs to look like my hair. Okay, she is flat. Big difference versus from when we originally started, right? That's why that step is very important. So I curled one side off camera, but I'm going to show you guys what I did with the other side, which is real simple, real easy. Anybody could do this. I'm using some holding spray. I brushed it through, and I'm just using my 1.5-inch curling wand. And all you have to do with this curling wand is just wrap the hair around, leave it on for a couple seconds, let it go, and voila, you get curls. So I did that to this entire side, and then when I was finished, I went ahead and I finger combed like both sides to kind of just make the curls just blend in together, as you guys can see here. So that is how she turned out. Real effortless, real easy, and that lace is looking natural. The hair is giving luxury, and she's nice and full, and she is great quality. Alright you guys, so that is the final look and we are done with this install. Pretty easy, right? Not too bad. Definitely really good for an Amazon wig. So shout out to Original Queen Hair. I will have the original link in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you for tuning in and I will see you guys next time.